Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, you are always welcome, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button, share this video, and also like it. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to make this delicious hard-body chicken. Some people call it marathon chicken and others call it Oshiwambo chicken. It's a whole chicken, and if you want to see how I prepare it, stay tuned. All the ingredients will be in the description box. I bought the chicken defeathered already, so the people at the market removed the feathers, but we still have those little stubborn feathers that are on the chicken, and we don't want to have that in our meal. So what we are going to do, we're going to place it on fire so that we can burn all those little feathers. So after removing the feathers, the chicken should look way darker than before. So now what we are going to do, I'll just place it into a sink, and we are going to add water, and we are going to wash the chicken. I'll be using a pot scour. I don't even know if I'm pronouncing it well, but yes, that metal thing that you use to clean your pots with, that's what I'm going to use. So the reason I'm using a pot scour is to remove the burnt feathers and also the darkness caused by the fire. So you're going to do this and make sure you are gentle. We're going to do this gently without removing the skin of the chicken. We still want the skin of the chicken to be on the chicken. Yes, you're going to do that on the wings and just do it gently. After washing the chicken, we're just going to drain out the dirty water, and then we are going to rinse it with some clean running water. Just going to do that, and you just want to rinse it well. It's looking better already. After cleaning the chicken, we're going to start preparing our seasonings. I'm using cooking oil. You can either use sunflower oil or olive oil. I'm just going to pour it in there. I do not have the exact measurements. I'm just eyeballing everything here. So you just want to add some cooking oil, and then you're going to add Portuguese chicken seasoning spice. It comes in different brands. So again, I'm just eyeballing the chicken spice. And then we're going to add some black pepper. I'm still eyeballing, and then by this time you can add some salt. I forgot to add the salt here. I went to add it a little bit later, but it's better when you add the salt now and just mix it together very well. What I like about this recipe is that you can play around with your ingredients. So I decided to add more cooking oil. You can just play around with your ingredients. If you see that you need to add something, and then you can add it. You can also add some chili, and then we are going to brush the seasoning onto the chicken. I opened the chicken. I cut up the chicken already, so you can see that opening. The chicken did not come with the inside parts. The people at the market removed that already, so I just cut it up so that it can be easier to work with. So this is the time I remembered that I didn't add salt, so what I'm going to do, I'm just going to add some salt. After that, I'm going to put 1 cup of water in a pressure cooker. Some people call it a storm pot. The reason why I'm using a storm pot is just it's way faster, so the chicken will cook faster. But if you do not have a stone pot, then you can use a normal pot. It's just that the cooking time will be longer. And then we're just going to put our chicken in the pot facing like that. Just put it there, and then we are going to cook this for 30 minutes on medium-high heat. While the chicken is cooking, I'm just going to whip up some porridge. Please do comment down below if you would like to see how I cook my porridge. It has been 30 minutes and this is how the chicken is looking like. Now we're just going to start preparing the sauce for the chicken. The first thing that you're going to do is to chop up half an onion. Today I'm using a red onion, but you can either use red or white onion. It really doesn't matter. So I'm just going to cut that into cubes. In another clean pot, we are going to add some cooking oil, and then we're going to place in our onions, and then we just want to saute them. And now I'm going to add this traditional sauce. It's called omwayi, and I have prepared that by mixing a paste that is left over when extracting marula oil, and I've mixed that paste with some water. So I'm just going to add that in there. If you aren't able to get omwayi, then you can just add soup. It will also do. To this we are going to add 1.5 cup of water. If you would like to see how I make marula oil, please do comment down below, and I will make a video on how I make marula oil, which is also called odjove. And this is the time you're going to add your seasonings. I decided to add more of the chicken spice and the salt, so you can now taste and see if you would like to add more. And now I'm just going to remove the chicken from the pressure cooker to the pot with the sauce, and then we're just going to place it there. I've also added the sauce from the pressure cooker, and now I'm just going to add the marula oil or odjove. I'm just going to a little bit, and I'm just going to add it to the chicken. I've also added 2 cups of water, so this is how it looks like, and then I'm just going to let it simmer. So you would want to let it simmer until you are satisfied with the consistency of the sauce. And there we have it, guys. This is our end product. I'm telling you, this is so delicious. It's very delicious and very tasty. So I have some corn there, and then that is the porridge or pap that I made. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Please share it with your family and friends. And if you are not subscribed yet, please don't forget to hit that red subscribe button and turn on your notification bell so that you'll be always notified whenever I upload a new video. Bye! See you in the next video.